Sandy is our golden retriever. She loves many things, but her favorite thing of all is food. She loves people food. It doesn't matter what it is. If you're eating it, she wants some. She even likes steamed broccoli and other steamed vegetables. Many dogs don't like vegetables. Sandy is not one of those dogs. She'll sit very still and wait. Her eyes don't move from your hand. If you hold out a piece of broccoli, her tail starts to wag. She takes it gently and eats every bite. But vegetables are not her favorites. Her real favorites are something better. Sandy loves all kinds of meat. Steak, sausage, pork. She loves them all. She doesn't get meat very often, but when she does, she is the happiest dog in the world. She also loves homemade bread. Fresh bread, just out of the oven, is her favorite smell in the world. She waits in the kitchen when bread is baking. She doesn't ask, she just waits. She also loves pizza crust. When pizza night comes, Sandy is very happy. She gets the last piece of crust from every slice. She chews it slowly, like it's something special. Chicken is another favorite. Cooked chicken, plain and simple, she could eat it every day. But the strangest favorite of all is cheesecake. Nobody knows why. It's just one of those Sandy things. She can't have a whole piece. It's too rich for a dog. But she gets a spoonful to lick. She licks that spoon very carefully. She doesn't miss a single spot. When the spoon is clean, she looks up and waits, just in case there's more. Oh, and she loves her dog food too. She eats it every morning and every evening without any fuss. She's never once left a single piece in her bowl. That bowl is always clean. But if you ask Sandy, the best meals are always the ones she shares with you.